Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Epson label maker, the Dysead AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically designed to be compatible with several popular Epson models, including the C51 CB69010, C51 CB70010, and C52 CB73020. If you own one of these, you know how crucial a reliable power source is to keep your labeling projects running smoothly. What immediately stands out about this Dysead adapter is its commitment to safety. In a world where electronics can sometimes be unpredictable, it's reassuring to know that this product comes with international quality certifications. These aren't just fancy labels. They signify that the adapter is built with numerous safety mechanisms. We're talking about protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This means you can plug in your label maker and work with confidence, knowing that both your device and your workspace are protected from potential electrical mishaps. It's a level of peace of mind that truly elevates this adapter above generic alternatives. Powering up your device is straightforward with its universal input of AC 102 40V 5060Hz. This wide voltage range makes it incredibly versatile, whether you're using it at home, in the office, or even traveling internationally, provided you have the correct physical plug adapter. The Dysead adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency, which is key to controlling its working temperature and ensuring stable operation. Nobody wants an adapter that gets scorching hot or delivers inconsistent power, and this unit is engineered to avoid those issues, providing a steady and reliable current to your Epson label maker. From a practical standpoint, the Dysead adapter is a sleek black unit, and it's surprisingly lightweight, tipping the scales at just 4 ounces. This makes it incredibly portable, easy to toss into a bag with your label maker without adding significant bulk. It's clear that the manufacturer, Dysead, has focused on both performance and user convenience. Now, a very important point that the manufacturer, Dysead, emphasizes, and it's worth repeating: always make sure you choose the right device before purchasing. While this adapter is compatible with the specific Epson models mentioned, double-checking your label maker's model number against the adapter's compatibility list is a small step that saves a lot of hassle. This ensures you get the perfect fit and optimal performance. In conclusion, for anyone needing a dependable and safe power solution for their compatible Epson label maker, the Dysead AC-DC adapter presents itself as an excellent choice. Its robust safety features, efficient power delivery, and lightweight design make it a standout accessory. It's not just about powering your device, it's about doing so reliably and safely.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.